Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Suboxy Creative Minds. And about today's video, it's my favorite clock, tiger eye clock, which I'll be doing on acrylic base. So you can see the result, how beautiful it is, and to know how I made it, stay tuned and do watch completely, as I have done two clocks with two different styles. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, as I have many things to share with you in my upcoming videos. Hope you enjoy the process and thank you for watching. Do let me know what you like to see in my future videos, as your suggestions is the most important for me. So let us start. I'm using acrylic base, and now I'm preparing dirty pour. First I have poured brown color opaque pigment, sorry. Now again on that I am using black color. And one more thing I forgot to mention is I'm using little bit of white too, little bit brown. And now I'm adding gold pigment from Esto Charms. And since our dirty pour is ready, I'm just removing the adhesive tape from acrylic base, and now I'm giving just a slight swirl in the cup of dirty pour before pouring on acrylic base. All the materials I have used will be mentioned in the description below, and links as well. Can you see the beautiful pour with what we have used colors for dirty pour? It's specially picked up with the theme of tiger eye, as I have mentioned. And this pour can be mentioned as instead of dirty pour, I could have mentioned it as tiger eye pour, as you could connect it and see in the result as well. And in my intro also, it's exactly the effects of tiger eye. Do watch it completely to know the final finish, and I'm thoroughly enjoying this pour. Hope you are also doing it. And now my favorite tilting time. So I'm tilting it to merge the colors and spread it evenly to all over our base, the acrylic base. It's of 12-inch. Hope I could show you how beautiful these colors are popping up, and the camera is not doing justice for it. And especially the gold color from Sto Charms. This is giving a beautiful pop up effect on our clock base. And this is the result after spreading the dirty pour on our base. And now I'm spraying isopropyl alcohol to get rid of the bubbles from it. And it also gives a special effect. If you use an alcohol spray, it will give you a beautiful after effect on your base. Isn't this beautiful? And now I'm proceeding to the second pour, and I have fixed the numbers with the help of glue gun. And now the final pour is being done on our clock base, and do watch it completely to know the effect what we got after the second pour. And I do have one more clock of the same process with a little bit different style, which I have used an acrylic cutout on it. Do check out at the end my other clock with the same base dirty pour and little bit different style. Hope you are enjoying the process. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, as I have many things, as I promised. Every time I come out with the new challenges, new experiments in resin, tips and tricks. And as I said, my second clock, this is my second clock with acrylic fixing on it, and I'm doing a final pour on it. The base is the same recipe what I have given it before. So let me know in the comment which clock you like the most. So this is the result of my second clock. And now can you have a look how beautiful this clock has turned up. Hope you agree with me, and if yes, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.